this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and grab your cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny crochet talk. Well, I am drinking just plain old black coffee today, and I just poured it. As you can see, it still has the steam coming out of it. That is so good. Well, I've been up for a little bit. I have already taken a walk for the day, done some laundry, worked on some crochet, and I've already kind of got my day started, even though it's still early. Anyway, so let's go ahead and see what kind of things that I am working on today. As you remember, this is Walt, so I am working on Willa, and Willa is going to be purple, pink, and white, and this one is for Charlie, my little granddaughter. Let's get my colors here. Some of these I'm just using big twist yarn on them, and then some of the colors I'm using some Hobie extra large yarn. It's called XL. But as if you remember, I'm working out of this book right here. I'll leave a link below for you guys if you're interested in this. I'm having a lot of fun with this. So there's old Walt. See him sticking right there. Let's see what I do have so that you can see the color combination that I've gone with. Here we are. So Willa is going to be purple with pink and white stripes. So, and then there is Walt. He's green and black and white stripes. But I love these so much. I'm having so much fun with them. And guys, I'm telling you, this pattern is easy. If you have any trouble at all, it would, especially if you're a new person, if you're not new at crocheting, I'm sure you would be just fine. But if you are new at crocheting, I would say that just joining the two legs where you chain 5, just don't overthink it. Just, well, one thing, they have you where you make 17 stitches on the 10th round, I believe it is, or anyway, the last round before you chain 5. They'll have you to make 17 single crochets. I don't do that. I'll go ahead and make 24. That way I will end up on this back side, because this is where you're going to join, is just like that, where they're facing in that direction. And so I just go ahead and do the 24. It makes no difference in the look whether I did 17 or 24. So I just make sure that both sides end on the back side of the leg. The other tip I would have for that is when you chain 5, go ahead and do your 24, and then when you start the other leg, you do the 24, and then when you start doing the chain 5, I would chain 5 and then start your next stitch, right on the center right there of that leg, and then do your 24 around. Oh, the other thing is make sure you put a stitch marker in that first stitch before you start that 24 of the next leg. So then when you go all the way around, you've got that chain 5 that you made. So go ahead and count them. Put 5, put a single crochet in each one of those chains. And if you can't find, not sure what side of the chain that you're working on and stuff, guys, don't overthink it. Just single crochet in the chain. I mean, it's going to work out. And then when you get all the way around, if you end up with 1 or 2, say you end up with 2 stitches or 1 stitch too many, just crochet 2 stitches together. If you end up where you have 24, 23 stitches, just put 2 stitches in the same stitch, just in case you were off somewhere. It's not a big deal. Don't stress over it. That is probably just the part where, if anything, a new person may have questions. So just, instead of doing your 17 single crochets, I would do 24. That way you end up right here, or however many it takes to end up on the end. It depends on where your crocheting ended up. But just make sure you end up right here. Chain 5, work 24 all the way around, and then you're going to work 5, single crochet in that same chain 5. So do that, and then right there at the very end on the other side of that chain 5, you will have a stitch marker, and just go from there. That's all there is to it, guys. So that was probably the part that I guess I always, and it's not just on this one, it's on any amigurumi that I do that have legs. I always overthink them. But see how good it came out? It's not a big deal. Don't overthink it, okay? Especially if you're new. Just chain the 5, work around it, and just make sure you have the right amount of stitches all the way around that it says you need for that row. And if you have 1 or too less, either increase it, put 2 stitches in 1 stitch, or crochet 2 stitches together. Whatever it takes to get that amount on that. Just don't stress over it. All right, so gosh, I felt like I spent 5 minutes on that. But anyway, that's the only thing that I have. And like I said, it's not with this book, it's with any amigurumi that I do that I have to change something for the legs. But there's a Walt. I'm using a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook for this project. I'm using a full weight yarn, just regular old 4-weight yarn. Let me show you guys what else I'm working on. I'm pretty excited about this. I did put a tutorial out yesterday. Okay, so these is actually Tanya's idea of some little drink coasters. She called them drink absorbers or cup absorbers, I guess, something like that. Anyway, really cute. I like that. Thank you, Tanya. And so I've been making these, and I am going to sell some of these on Etsy for you guys. And so I've been making up a bunch of them. It's a 10-minute tutorial or 10-minute project. Now, someone posted on Facebook, or it could have been on my YouTube, I'm not sure, that it took them 30 minutes. Yeah, if you're new and you're, having to follow for the first time and stuff like that, it's always going to take longer. And just like my 4-hour bag, it's actually a little longer than that when you watch the tutorial for the first time. But once you learn the steps, you know how it's worked, it's a 4-hour crochet bag. And the same with these. I've timed myself, and it takes about 10 minutes to make these. So that's what I'm working on. Aren't they cute? Look at that. I'm having a lot of fun with these. My sister Linda texts me, and she's requested a grade or 2. I guess she just only wants two of these. And so I'm working on that. And so I have these colors right here. And my husband wants black, so I'm going to make him some black ones. Yeah, I'm just having fun with this and just making a bunch of them up. And I do plan on putting them on Etsy. So if you're interested in some, go to my Etsy shop because they'll be up in a few days. All right, let's see what else I have. I received some yarn from my sister Tanya. Thank you, Tanya. This is some more of this Pioneer Woman. Oh my gosh, she is just so sweet. Some more of this blue right here, which I love. Oh my gosh, there are 4 of these blues. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4 of these. Looky there, guys. 4 of them. So let's go ahead and get these out. Okay, so this is called Coral, and this is probably just called Blue. Yep, it's called Blue. So I have 4 of these blue ones here, and these are from Walmart. She said that they were on their clearance. So you may want to check your local Walmart, see if they're clearance in these as well. It's 394 yards, and I believe it's a 3-weight though. What was the thing? Yeah, it's a 3 light. So thank you so much, Tanya, for these. Look at this. Aren't they beautiful? I just love them. All right, guys, so I bought another book. I just did it. I just had to do it. I saw this on Amazon. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in this. But look at this. Amigurumi Made Easy. First thing I want to make is this little snake for Knox. I want to make him the snake. If my dad was still alive, I'd be making him that little gorilla. It's so cute. But look at the frog. Look at that. So cute. Amigurumi Made Easy. It's 16 straightforward animal crochet patterns. And what I like about this book is when you're looking on Amazon at it, they actually will have, this is so cool, guys. I've never seen another person do this. But let's say Betty the cow, okay? They'll have the page open, laying down like this on a table or something. And then they'll show the animal actually made, for instance, across the the page like that, and it is so cool. I love it. So you get to actually see it made and not just in a picture. So I really like that part of it. Oh my gosh, look. I'm telling you, you're going to want this book. This is such a cool book. Peter the Mouse. So apparently my little granddaughter Charlie May, she got her a new bed, and it's got a bookcase on it. So my daughter Jennifer, she texted me, Mom, you need to make some amigurumis to put on that bookshelf. So yes, I had just bought this book. Perfect timing. Of course, she wants one of the sloths. I know, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen that sloth that I made, I don't know, a couple years ago or something. Anyway, so I've got to make her one of those. And I've actually got to make Knox one too. I was supposed to make him one like when he was a year old, and he's 3 now. So I am way behind on that. All right, so the other thing is I've got my Annie's packet. Thank you, Annie's. This is a monthly crochet kit. If you're not aware of them, I know I have a lot of new subscribers on my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. It is really growing, and it's growing fast. So thank you guys so much. I am working really hard getting these tutorials out there and giving you some crochet projects, giving you some things to do with your hands. All right, so this is the Hook and Needle Kit Club. You guys know I've been doing Annie's for a very long time. I love Annie's. They have video tutorials. You can, if you lose your glossy paper, they have it where you can print it out. I mean, it's just awesome. Left and right-handed tutorials. I love it. This is called the Rondelle Purse. And this kit that I get is a crochet and a knit kit. So there's the crochet version right there. And then there is the knit version. So they always send you the yarn, and it's usually always this Premier Anti-Pilling yarn, which is very good yarn. Very good. I love it. And in this kit, it came with this right here to snap it. I love it. Thank you, Annie's. Let's see. And they always come with a glossy paper here. And they tell you everything. They have the crochet instructions, and they have the knit instructions. And it looks like it's a medium 4-weight yarn. They tell you the size. And if you have trouble with something, you just go to their website and log into your account and watch the video instructions on that. It's that easy. And the level on this one is called, not called, it's intermediate level. But I think that someone that's just below an intermediate would still be able to do it, because you have the video tutorial and you just follow that. So either way will work. But I like this along with the video for one thing, because it does help me learn to read patterns and things like that. So that's very nice that they have a pattern to go with it. Have a video to go with the pattern. Let's see. What else might you need to know? Oh yeah, the name of this club is called the Hook and Needle Kit Club. I've been in different ones of their kit clubs. Every now and then they'll send me an actual, like a blanket square type thing. I don't want to say square. Where you do so many rounds, they'll send me that to work on. And usually that's like a 10-week project or something like that. And I really like doing those. And if I have trouble with them, like I said, I just go to the video. Anyway, so if you're interested in this, go ahead and sign up. I think it's 50% off your first kit. It's the Hook and Needle Kit Club. All right, guys, that's a lot of talking. I need to take me a coffee break. So I'm very excited about making this video today, because I got to show off my Annie stuff. I've been excited about this little purse, and I've been very excited to show this book off. I can't wait to get started in it. What is preventing me from working in it now is because I really want to get Walt and Willa done. And I've actually got a couple more Walts that I need to make, because I really want to keep him. I like him. And so I've got to make Knox another one, and then I've got to make Oliver one as well. So technically, and I'm working on Willa, so I still have 3 to make. So I don't know. I might try and slip in one of these. I'll have to look at them. If they don't take too long to do, I'll try to throw in a few of those for the grandkids as well. Yeah, they're so cute. I can't wait to get in that book. And it says it comes with video tutorials for all the crochet stitches. So that's really cool. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and read our By Still Waters. All right, let's see what we got in here today. I'm not sure this bookmark. Okay, it says, Not a Pipe Dream. The steadfast love of love. Not a pipe dream. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end, and they are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Oh my gosh, that is so true. That's Lamentations 3:22 and 23. For some people, birthdays are anything but exciting, since they force us to notice the ever-growing assembly of gray hairs, the wobbling of our turkey gobblers, and the carnival of not-so-merry crinkles around our eyes. Oh my gosh, where's this going? However, birthdays are also a time for babies to be born, and a time to thank God for gifting us with another year to live, laugh, and love. Birthdays are also for eating a bit of cake, opening some pretty presents, and for those fresh beginnings. That last part, fresh beginnings, because more important as the years go by, as one accumulates not only pleasant memories, but remembrances of misfortune, of sin, and regret. These events can drag behind us and clog up our present as well as our future. Fresh beginnings may sound like a pipe dream, but it's a promise in God's word. Yes, the steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His tender mercies never end, but are new every morning. So thank God every dawn we can experience a new, fresh start. I'm so happy, Lord, that in this ever-changing world, your love is steadfast and your mercies never come to an end. Amen. Wow. That is beautiful. I love that. I needed that. I hope you guys did. I hope that has helped you. But guys, that's all that I have for this video. I guess I need to clear up my space, go edit this video, and get to working on this crochet stuff. Oh, I do have another tutorial coming out. I hope you're going to be excited about that. I can give you a little hint. It is a headband. I have made it probably maybe almost 2 months ago, and I've just been wearing it, trying it out, and things like that. And so I really like it. And so I wanted to bring that to you guys, and hopefully I can get that done this week. So be sure and look for that. And yeah, that's it. I'm just crocheting. Oh, and I'm still in school. School's going well. Anyway, that's all that I have, guys. Just be sure and post in Facebook that you make sure your post lets us know that this is for Whip Caddy Wednesday, because that video is tomorrow. Hopefully I have more Willa done, and I can show you a little bit more of her. All right, guys, that's it. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.